Hello, today we're going to talk about thermographic colors and set points. We're looking at a floor plan for a web control system. We see it's a visual representation of the first floor and that all of our zones are defined. I see the conference room, the cafeteria, the marketing department, etc. We also notice that each one of these zones has a different color associated with it, whether it's green, light blue, orange, yellow. Doesn't really matter. What matters is that these colors are called thermographic colors and they're variable. In other words, they change based on the conditions in the zone. Well, what does that mean? All that means is the actual zone temperature as read by the sensor is falling within the set points defined by these different color bands. Let's take a look at the office area and see if we can get an idea of what I'm talking about. When I go to the office area, I see this little set point control. And when I click on the green color band, I see that if it's between 71 and 75 degrees in that zone, we'll have it display green. Because this zone is actually 73.3 degrees, that's what's happening. I've also said that when it's between 75 and 77, I'd like yellow displayed, and 77 to 79 for orange. If I change the set points in this zone, by sliding the bar, we'll see that now yellow is between 72 and 74, and because it's still 73 as measured by the sensor, I would expect to see yellow displayed on the floor plan. And in fact, I do. So the idea with thermographic colors is that someone can come in, sit down, look at the floor plan, and get an idea of what's going on with their building at a single glance. If you see potential problem areas, such as the storage area over here, you could drill down to that piece of equipment and find out why it's so cool. Let's take a closer look at the set point control. If I go to the properties page and I look at zone set point control, I see lots of different color bands. Right now, we're looking at the occupied color band. That means when the schedule microblock says that this particular zone is occupied, use this particular color band. When the zone is unoccupied, use this particular color band. Notice that what we've done is we've relaxed the set points. So when no one's in the building, don't bother heating or cooling unless it's less than 60 degrees or more than 85 degrees. In addition to occupied and unoccupied, we have our various demand levels, and we'll talk about that in a different exercise. But the point is, all of these colors are relative. What's displayed depends not only on what the temperature is, but what the actual set points for that particular zone are.